Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? The boy Psynos coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Gwan peeps, are we there with another?
Inside,
Brand new banger.
Inside.
Why you doing, John?
But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it.
Last them dark and tint up neat, you know my tingo. Teeth well grill up, stack, you know the tingo. Fly like pinto, neat, oh manito. Ice them see you, royalty greet you.
Brand new banger.
Gwan peeps, yeah man, we there. So, me get a video. Somebody I say, yo, Psynos, pre this, pre Gwan up our compound and all them thing there. Them not letting the people them, you know, police block off the area. Not even people who come from a compound. Them not let them in and things. So, make you get right tonight, cause me no know Gwan. Make we see Gwan. Why them not letting the people in. Ready?
Officer, can you tell me why we can't go in and who ordered that we can't go in? Because this is the biggest celebration for the Maroon them. So can you tell me why we can't go in, officer? Because you say so, but you don't have no jurisdiction, officer. You can't say you can't say so, officer. You know have jurisdiction, so somebody have to give you authority to do that, officer. Officer, you can tell me why we can't go in and who give you guys the authority? At the soup list. We can't go in our place and Maroon supposed to sovereign. And the colonial government, Jamaica, them buy out the colonel, and we can't celebrate with ancestors. And you can't say because of COVID, because just like how we can't wear a mask out the road out there, so why we can't wear a mask to come celebrate with ancestors? At 280 odd years this is Gwan. And nothing of Gwan, and the colonel up there sell out. The colonel up there sell out and not allow this to Gwan. How you meet me a Maroon? How you meet me a Maroon? What make you Maroon? We are all Maroon, big man. I want to know your history. What you mean? Remember say we are the last slaves, you know. What you mean? Remember say I fight, we fight, you know. To get to freedom. I succumb them give up the land, you know, big man. I don't know what them people are, big man. Now come stop the people them from celebrate themselves because we sell out. We sell out. Everything we sell out. Everything we sell out. So, can you please tell me why we can't go up there? Can you give me a good explanation? This is a part of Jamaica culture. Can you please explain to me why? What do you mean now, love, live there?
Colonel William said they must only let in certain people, not to let in everybody, so I don't know. Look, I'm telling you, I come to the colonel invite me. I told him that the colonel invite me, and he said,
we're supposed to be sovereign.
I told him that the colonel invite me, and he said,
we ancestors fight, so we can have freedom from the colonial government. And now the colonial government I tell you, so we can't even go up on the land where we ancestors fight and defeat the British and the French them from. So this not sovereign, it's just a play thing. I just feel looks. The colonel sell out. Them pay him off, $20 million, them pay him off. A sellout thing. A sellout thing a Gwan. We are Jamaican, you know. You know what we represent to the world. And if we can't get with freedom, yes sir. Which part yes we are gonna get with freedom? What do you mean if it was? I just me born and grow. What should we take? I don't know the history, man. We fight for freedom, big man. So you can have freedom too. And you play a part in taking away the freedom. Them not letting the people them. Officer, can you tell us why we can't go in? And them roads are not big enough if you have traffic jam. Because the people want to go honor them ancestors. We ancestors what make we can say we are Jamaican. I want to deprive we from that. Oh, you mean? My ancestor talk to me, big man. I want to you. My ancestors talk to me. I want to you. I want to you. We ancestors fight for this, big man, and not come try to deprive we. We ancestors fight for this. So we can have a freedom. I want to we. How me have a freedom if me can't go up here, sir?
You never come there yesterday.
Me can't come as me please, big man. That's what freedom means. But apparently you don't understand that. Apparently you don't understand that.
But the man came back and the people live here. The man came back and the people live here.
That's why everything you sell out because you know illiterate. You know illiterate, so them give you some money and keep quiet. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Money can't buy freedom, man.
You understand? We ancestors put them life on the line for this.
And they demand them born and go in there, so live up this one can't go in there.
No, this can't go on.
The man live there, there's a youth, there's a youth.
Sell out. That's why the place they are not developed because they just take money and not do nothing for the people them. 280 odd years. Nothing no do for the people because they just take money and they just take money. They just take money. And the truth, big man, what you mean? And the truth. And the truth. What do you mean? And the truth we attack. I sell and sell out. And sell out. And the truth. And sell out. Sell out and sell out, yo. I'm not going to put in proper procedure, big man, and run the thing professional. Proper procedure. Hand sanitizer, mask, social distancing, we can still go do a thing.
But the colonel invite me, the colonel will not invite you when they say, somebody know him, he must say, we can call the colonel. I don't understand this. That's what the colonel is asking.
This is what go on in Jamaica. Then them go up on TV and say the Maroon them sovereign and we honor the peace treaty. But I lie them a lie. Cause look there, you can't even celebrate your ancestors them. Them use media and tell lie. Be a lie. Be a lie. Mind the ancestors them push you down, big man, because you are sell out. And that me I try to tell you now. Now sell out. Mind the ancestors lick you down. You think that we ancestors fight for this for nothing? You think we ancestors fight for nothing? You think that we ancestors fight for this for nothing? A sell out. Big man. Me not depend the gating officer.
Gwan, man. Why they not letting the people?
Man, you are sell out there. The people must sell out your fire and brimstone. I hope the spirit and nanny and Cudjoe them come down and kill one of a bomb clock. Because we will not sell out. We not sell out. That's why we not reach now because we not bomb clock. Sell out. That's why Maroon Town not develop. What bomb clock money they want to have. We not develop bomb clock, not look on the road. 280 bomb clock years. What we do? Nothing we do not do. Sell out and sell out. Sell out and then we want to keep it because some people don't know them history. If you use another indecent language, you'll be taken to custody. Okay, officer, I mean, have to use no indecent language, but the truth me attack, officer, and you know the history too, the truth me attack, officer. So I can't speak my mind without using indecent language. But them sell we out. Them sell we out. Sell out. Sell out. This is how Gwan. This is how it come out to. This is how it come to. And the little coward them just take money. Them take money and turn a blind eye. Coward them. Our ancestors are turning at them grave. Them fight. Fight them fight so we could have freedom. Fight. So we can have the right to decide. Fight. Fight. You understand? Fight. The fact that you think say you different from me, big man. The fact that you think say me and you different. The fact that you think say me and you different shows say you don't know what you are talking about. Because we are all one. Even the police right there say we are one people. But the fact that you think say me and you different are the trick that the enemy use. Ask yourself that. No, ask yourself that. Ask yourself that. Ask yourself that. Ask yourself that. We are one people. Ask yourself that, big man. No, we have to show what Gwan. We have to show what Gwan. I will be in a second. The colonel himself do this. The colonel sell out. Same thing they want, they make treat if you sell out the Cockpit Mountain. Them sell out. Big man. Big man. Big man.
Why? Alright peeps, here we. I don't fully know what go on. And if anybody can enlighten me, apparently as you clearly can see, them not letting nobody in a Maroon Town, aka upper Accompong. I don't know what go on. Them are letting some people, even the little youth who are coming from school will live there. Some people will live there. Them now let them in. Near the police say, after the man ask why we can't enter Maroon Town, the man say cause I said so. Here the man also bring up some things and I say yo, at the colonel, I don't know what's going on, but that look away. You know what I mean? So if anybody right here will watch a video can make me know in detail what's happening, why residents of a compound can't enter and some people enter like special people, why the colonel are black out people, why the man who hold the camera and say yo him born from that there so him can't come honor him ancestor. I wonder if something special are going up there where people gather, you know what I mean, in celebration of our ancestors. Me and your ancestor will fight. We'll fight for we, you know what I mean, because Maru a nanny place that. You know what I mean? If you don't know who nanny is, go search up. You know what I mean? She fight against the red coats them and all of them soldier there and cut them down so we can get freedom and all them things there, you know what I mean? So I don't know. Somebody please enlighten me and think and make me know what go on. And in the meantime, thank you very much for watching this video. Big up on yourself. Hope you enjoy it. Comment down below and let me know what go on, because I really want to know what go on. and big up on yourself and just go and journey with your boy. Ah, shit!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like hope it could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not miss a maker. Big up the